Assalamu alaikum, dear students. इस वीडियो में we will talk about a spiral process model. Spiral process model is a type of evolutionary process model because in this process model, the software is evolved. Okay, the activities in this process model are repeated just like the coils of a spring. Okay, and you may be, I think, so surprised that the software release, the next software release is more improved with more feature than the previous versions. And you can see my screen, and it was first of all proposed in 1988. Okay, and the spiral development is a risk-driven process model that is used to multi-stakeholder concurrent engineering or software-intensive systems. One cycle approach is, I think, so you have to take a lot of risk, and it is a multi-cycle approach. You have to repeat and repeat and repeat all the activities, and you have to release the softwares. You can see the page over here. I already shared it with you. Over here, the famous activities of standard process model or generic process model are repeated in the form of coils of a spring. Okay, and for example, this process model start from the starting point. Over here, there will be a first release of this process model, and another release of this process model, and another release of this process model. Whenever you go outside in this, I think so, spring or in these circles, then the latest release of software is more improved with more features than the previous ones. It is a kind of evolutionary process model, and it can effectively manage the risk of failure of software. If there are some problem in the previous version, then you can rectify or you can correct, and you can make changes, and you can repeat all the activities for the same software again, and another software version will be released, and another software version will be released. So this is a type of evolutionary in the sense that the software that we make through this process model is evolved step by step. So we call it as a evolutionary process model. Okay, so this is I think so spiral process model standard I think so picture from Roger S. Pressman book. Okay, we can also call it is some people also call it is concurrent process model. Okay, and all modern softwares, for instance, you see Windows or I think so other software applications and your Android systems and Android apps, they are all based upon, I think so, this process model, because there is no end until and unless the spiral will be repeated, the coils of the spring will be repeated, these activity will be repeated, and a new software version will be released until and unless the customer or the user is not satisfied. So this is the main philosophy of this process model specifically. Okay,